Okay, this laptop, we've done a thermal tune-up on it and a keyboard palm rest replacement. And unfortunately, after a travel, this is the end result. Turns on and then turns off. So the user had a look on the inside and a screw fell out. They've done the usual, such as discharging the battery, taking the RAM out, etc. And still the same. Hopefully, whatever that screw was didn't touch anything major. If it did, then it's going to be, game over. Hopefully not. Oh, come on. Yep. Come on, bro. There we go. Predator. What a crappy name. What went wrong, mate? So the fan screws are in. Which screw was that? Hmm? They did send me a photo of the screw. Like this. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. No, they have their screws. Battery has one and two. Here is from the case. That's from the case. That's from the case. Bro, where is the screw from? And that's here. That's already in. That's from the case. Case. Go figure. Bro, I don't get it. Okay. Let's do some checks. Diode mode. What's the CMOS battery like? Yeah, he's happy. The power button still works. That's battery power, which is fine. 3 volts rail, that's fine. Ground to ground is 25. That's fine, we're gonna ignore that for now. My biggest concern is PCH. Oh no, that's BS. Well, we shouldn't have a very low resistance here. This is the PCH. Multimeter, let's go in resistance mode now. So, ground to ground. Anywhere, ground to ground. That's my cable resistance, 3.1, 3.0, okay. Oh, that's the one I just randomly checked. Dead. Dead PCH. That part is fine. Yeah, dead PCH. Yeah, okay, this is game over already. Yeah. So the cable resistance, ground to ground, 3 point something ohms. That's the cable resistance in here. Yeah, not good. Not good. 4 points, so that part is fine. Yeah, this sucks, man. Yeah, these are too low for what they are. Hmm. Sorry, customer. This guy's gone 891p. I don't get it. Where is that screw from? No, it doesn't make sense. Okay, we got this open. J891. We're looking for 3-volt rail. Yeah, that one right behind the port here. That should be in the like many kilo ohms range, but we get only 345. There's a partial short. It's this guy. No, no. There is no way. I don't know where the screw is from. Doesn't make sense. Double check. We got those two. Hmm. Yeah, no. That chip with that resistance, that chip is gone. I'll see if they want the SSD taken out or see what they want to do. This is BS. Yeah. Yeah, I'm expecting miracles. So if we put that in there, voltage, here we go. Let's see what happens to 3 volts. I'm curious. Power button. It actually comes on. What? This is so weird. How is this even possible? How did it even die? It's like part of the 3-volt rail is gone. This is really weird. So LX means power comes on after power button press. And here where I checked before, let me double check power. I'm gonna do it again, maybe the other side of the capacitor. Yeah. So this chip is partially shorted. That's what it is. It's partially gone. Okay, that's game over for this guy. Alright, see you in the next one.